Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with TractionRealEstateMentors.com, and in today's quick video, I want to show you how to inspect a property thoroughly so that you can determine an accurate repair estimate. Stay tuned. So at my last Rapid Cash Generator Bootcamp, I had an attendee tell me that they are afraid to inspect a property because they don't know how to be sure they didn't screw it up or mess up the repair estimate. So I wanted to quickly take you through this property and show you how easy it can be. And there's three key points you need to remember. Number one is simply ask yourself, does it stay or does it go? Take a look. What do you think? This bathroom, stay or go? It's really simple. That one's not staying. What about the kitchen? Does it stay or does it go? There ain't nothing here either that anybody these days wants to have new, so it goes. The second part, photograph everything. I take pictures of absolutely everything as I inspect a property to make sure that I'm not going to forget anything that's been done, and it lets me lean back on the photos later, show them to my rehab buyers later, and I'm not going to forget anything because, quite honestly, it gets complicated after a while. Remember, all properties start to look alike after you do a couple of them. The other thing I do is I use my property inspection worksheet, which I carry around on a clipboard. So that property inspection worksheet reminds me of what I need to look at and what I need to remember, and I take notes as I go, taking photos. That way I don't have to think. Because today, for example, I have a horrible head cold, and it's a little bit hard to think. It's hard to focus. I don't feel good. But I don't have to worry about it because everything's on my property inspection worksheet. So I simply follow the worksheet. It reminds me of what to do. That's my framework and my structure for remembering what to look at, when, and why. I combine that with my photos and I have everything that I need to properly analyze what repairs need to be done and know what I'm going to need to tell my rehab buyers. What's the number one thing you screw up when inspecting a property? Let me know in the comments section below. Enter in a comment and tell me what the number one thing is that you mess up when you're inspecting a property. And if you like this video, share it with friends and go to TractionRealEstateMentors.com for more training. This is Tom Zeeb for Traction Real Estate Mentors. I'll talk to you soon. And today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to... Does it stay or does it stay? Does it go? That's all you have to do is look around. Look around at the beautiful property. Look around. Just look around.